Hi, Toby. Good to see you today. How can I help you today?
Hi, good to see you. I'm good. I was trying to get a new job and I was kind of stressed about the interview process. I really want to do well, but I'm scared.
Mm, sounds like you really would like to get a job.
Yeah, I really would like to get a job, but I also don't want to keep getting disappointed in the interview process.
Mm. What are your beliefs?
When I interview, sometimes I feel like I'm not good enough, like maybe I don't have enough money. Sometimes I get scared because I failed the last interview I did.
Mm. Can you list all the things you're doing well?
Well, I guess in life, I have a good family. I had a job just 6 months ago as a supervisor, and I really haven't failed an interview before.
Would you consider yourself successful?
Yeah, most of the time I would, yes.
Mm. What is the evidence for that?
Well, when I was in school, I passed all my classes. I did well in my job. Um, those are pretty good examples.
Mhm. How does this success, how does it fit into the ABCs written for you?
Mhm. I guess in comparison, I'm pretty competent. Or I'm competent enough.
Mm. Yes. And all the evidences that you said, such as your, past job, your success in school, those are all good evidences.
Yeah, maybe you're right. They're pretty
Mhm.
good.
I want you to say to dispute all the negative belief that, you wrote before, that you just talked before about you're not good enough. Can you say all, dispute all that negative beliefs?
By saying that I'm good enough.
Yes,
um,
that is a positive statement. What type of decision would this statement lead you to?
mm, I'm sure it will lead me to a more positive outlook. It will lead me to probably apply for the jobs that I'm too scared to apply for.
Great. That is good. You've made a bit of decision right there.
Yeah, I really could just apply for the job. I don't have to be scared about the interview because even though it's not 100% chance I'll get it, there's definitely a 0% chance if I don't go to the interview.
That's right. Yes, you can do it.
Yeah, I'm good enough to apply for a job and I'm good enough to get the job too.
So I want you to say that positive statement to get you confidence on, saying it in front of the mirror in the morning, saying it all the time to yourself, especially when those negative thoughts come into mind. I want you to counteract it with that positive thought that you just said. So tell me your positive statement that you just said today.
I'm good enough.
All right. Say it very, very confidently.
I am good enough.
All righty. So I want you to go ahead at home to continue to say all this positive statement in the mirror, like we said, over and over in the morning, so that way you can start to believe these thoughts. All right.
No problem. I will.
So I'll see you next time on our next time for our therapy section. Thank you.